touch mine.
Morning. It is now Wednesday, and this literally means I just woke up. But I want you guys to see how hard it's raining. Okay. It is pouring so hard, and it's only 9:20. There's a thunder boy. This is gonna be a rainy day today, man. Rainy day. What was that, kids? Oh. No? Okay. I need to take a shower real quick, so I don't know, I just feel like doing it. It's been raining all day, now it finally stopped and slowed down, but you guys ever heard the trick of how to organize your drawers in your dresser? Where you fold your t-shirts like this, so that way you don't have to go digging through them and you know which is which. That's pretty cool. I like doing that, and I think it's pretty awesome. So now I don't gotta go digging around for a t-shirt anymore. I saw it off a crazy Russian hacker, so sounds fun. Alright, I'm gonna go take a shower then. Hey.
Say hi. Can you say hi? Say hi to Uncle. Let me see your cup. Can you say hi? Okay, can you say bye-bye? Catch, you have a boogie with a hair. Thank you.
He saw us this cup too.
Yeah, I'm gonna take that with me. Aww.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Can you say bye-bye to Uncle? Look, say bye-bye.
Oh, there's lots of stuff all over the wall, so that's pictures. Okay, keep saying, look at me, I am a Max. I am Max.
So all in all, it was a freaking amazing dinner. We cooked it in the Ninja. The Ninja. Yeah, I hate that crap. That, man. That's some good stuff right there, son. Yeah. That's good. I hope you guys like that I put a couple of time lapses in here. The first one, of course, was easy, but the second one I was in my sister's car, okay? And her car shakes so much, even though it's a Jeep. Car shakes so much, right? That with the tripod, it just, oh crap, son, look, you're sitting there trying to hold it, but it's just rough. And so my mom's car's a lot better because I actually have a stable place to put the tripod. And that one, it's a little smaller. Whatever works though, whatever works. So man, And my new office is freaking awesome, man. Turn the speakers up and down however I want. And yeah, man. Sounds fun, right? I needed to get more tea. So I got some more, and you may have put the food away, Shelby, but you did not put the food that was in the crock pot away. Let's go break the news to her. I gotta go break the sad news to her. So I'm watching these two girls on Twitch, okay? And they're playing Rock Band 4, and they were asking for song suggestions, so I suggested Feel Good Inc. by the Gorillaz, so here you go. They're playing this just for me. I also suggested Slipknot, and they're gonna play that too. Dude, I can't wait. And I love Slipknot. I can't wait till they play Slipknot on here, man. I told you they were playing Slipknot for me. The Symphony, packaging subversion, pseudo-sacrosanct perversion, culture no deserts. Yeah. So I had my dark glass so Cash wouldn't get in, and I had my window open, and I walked in here, and I immediately like froze. Okay, it was so cold. Like literally. I wonder what the temperature is. I'll check it in a minute, I don't know. So I just got this vlog edited up. Everything is going well on this new big old computer. I love this thing, man. I love this freaking little office space. Like I said yesterday's vlog, it's nice, peaceful, and quiet. Now I have the windows open so I can hear the sounds of the city, which is on some nights tire squeaking, police sirens, gunshots, racing. Beautiful sounds, man. But that's how we live now, man. That's how we live. But anyway, I'm going to end the vlog right here. Hope you guys did enjoy today's vlog. Tomorrow, I am home by myself, so you know how those vlogs go. Anyway, if you guys could please give it a like. If you guys feel like it, comment down below. Please support the channel by clicking that subscribe button. Share it with your friends and tell them to join the vlog army today. And I will see you guys tomorrow.